The heavens declare your glory. Their voice tells of your glory. Your without speech, without words, the heavens declare your glory. Their voice tells of your glory. This world is breaking. I need you today. Need you, Lord Messiah, come. This world is broken without you. Lost in darkness, I cry for your light. Come, Messiah, in this night. I need you, Lord Messiah, come. This world is broken without you. This world is broken. As the years go by, I see the never-ending faithfulness of my Father. My trials, troubles, and wants find their answer